you going? You coming? Oh my god, he was gonna jump too. You coming? Oh my god. I figured out where he's going.
Oh my god. Surprised her, Mama.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's got my head.
Matthew, help me. I'm not Matthew. Oh my goodness. Oh, his Velcro's got me.
Why you do this?
I just need love.
It was desperate.
You're getting too attached, sir.
Oh, the Velcro. Oh no.
You have to shave that part of your head with the cat out.
Probably.
Oh, no.
It's
Oh,
really,
no.
it's really stuck.
I got him. Can you?
No, help. Matt, help.
Yeah.
Matt, help. He did it again. Stop pulling it.
I'm not. I'm trying to keep him still. Let me go. Let me go. Velcro stuck in Lily's hair.
So, yeah, Matt told me, and I
That's
said,
like the
all
Three
right.
Stooges.
She said,
Ow!
ah! You try to tell right now when you find out, because I need to go find a dad scraper, because I'm not looking forward to this conversation.
Forrest, how did we do that? No, don't move. No, wait.
Yes, use ease off.
That's what I was thinking, but it's Velcro, not like tape.
He's just hurrying away.
Maybe
Like
don't do that anymore.